So I didn't know what this was at first when I started opening it. So I went ahead and pulled the pull tab to see what it was. And now that I know what it is, I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing video, you know? I don't know if you can see because of the flash, but oh, there's the Apple logo. Gee, I wonder what this could be. Something so thin from Apple. Love the sleek packaging as always. Oh yeah. There it is, my Apple card. Woo! Probably just gonna leave it there in case there's numbers showing right below it. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. New Apple card. It's pretty fucking cool. I like the little metallic apple on there. Sweet! So stoked. Been using it on my Apple Watch, but figured the physical card would be better in places that don't take that yet. So here it is. So stoked.